First ingot. First ingot. Release. I get the sense you didn't have the most faith in your bridge before this moment. It looks great. Second ingot. Release. Going to make adjustments. We're definitely considering it. All right, you have a full minute. That's okay. I'm waiting. I'm ready. All right, go. All right, 60 seconds is actually quite a long time. You don't have to panic. You don't have to rush it. Oh, we're having a debate. Flip it, no. Flip it, no. I like that. All right, about 21 seconds used, so heaps of time left if you get the opportunity later on. Third ingot, release. All right. We're going to flip it. "30 seconds. "20 seconds left. All right. 4 ingots. Release. All right, you have 20 seconds left if you want to make adjustments, or would you like to go straight for 5? All right, the plan is to do nothing. 5 ingots. Loaded. Ready. Good luck. Release.